but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know.
Ride again.
I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know? I'll never know.
We're walking down the streets of Queenstown. Yes naman, vloggeries ka dyan. Hi, Bea Marie.
Hi, I'm tourist.
Welcome sa akin. Turista for the day.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng remarks. Ganda. Parang di tayo dito nakatira.
Queenstown in a new light.
Ganda.
In the tourist eyes.
My God. Mga manghuhula. Kung saan pupunta? It says Skyline Gondola here. Pili ko doon sa isa.
Doon pa. Sa may puno.
Nakapagod.
Akyat. Skyline. Finally.
That's where we're going. Skyline Gondola. Yes, man. Pwedeng mag-picture dito. Cute.
Ang ganda! Grabe yung tubig! Blue na blue!
Oh my God. Look at that view. Look at that view. Di mo akalain na it's a lake.
Oo. Parang dagat na siya.
But it's actually
A lake.
just a lake.
Nakakabata.
Grabe, doon lang tayo, oh. Doon sa daan.
Oh, grabe! Oh my God! Ang taas pala niya. Pagka galing ka kasi sa baba, parang hindi mataas.
True. Okay. Mabagal naman siya. There you go.
Okay, tatay na tayo.
Going up. Okay,
Lord.
turista talaga tayo. Entry. Viewing deck. Nandun tayo kanina.
Tapos doon.
Ay, really?
Oo, mahaba. 1 hour ride siya.
Ay, okay. Magkano?
100 plus lang din. Tigil! Tumitigil bigla! Otoke! Matakot!
Kaya mo yan. Nasikipan mo na yan? Okay. We're good. Let's go.
Inat!
Bea!
Stand here with the dots.
Oh my gosh!
Yung bag ko.
Oh my God! Natatakot ako! Mas natatakot ako dito!
Napaka-chill lang nila.
Oh my God!
Tas Bea!
Mas natatakot ako dito! Otoken! Oh my God!
Parang wala lang sa kanila eh, no? Tayo na naman yung maingay.
Wala akong orientation. Natatakot ako!
Bakit di nila tinitignan yung mga tickets and all?
Diba? Hindi na titi. Pwede kang libre lang.
Nakakatakot yung wala kang tinatapakan. Oh my God! Bakit pa ng view? Tapos yung pangit. Ayan na naman!
Dito din tayo tumigil.
Oh, bakit yung umilapan? I don't like this ride. Bakit yun? Pero I'd rather do this than mag-hike.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Okay.
Tataba yung, okay. Inaakyat pala siya, Bel. Hindi siya yung sa nasa train.
Oh my God! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Bakit yun diniyan? Ah, sakit! Oh my God! Ano ba yun? Ah! Baka hindi ako umulit dahil dito.
Saglit lang siya.
Nakakatakot. May times na magjo-join yung truck. Ay, hindi. Hindi pala.
Hindi, separate pa rin siya. Ay, ito na pala tayo. Tamo, hindi mo na napansin?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Paano ba
Get
baba?
ready. Ano lang?
Right. Yan na, guys. Alright. Okay.
Punta ka sa left. Sa left. No. Ride today. Doon muna tayo niyan sa first ride.
Nanginginig pa ito.
Sige, relax na lang. I-feel mo muna. Hey, look! May snow pa. Eh. Super mas snow pa. Ganda. Ganda ng trail na may snow. Eh. Nakabandi na ka.
Watch your pearls came in the quarter side.
Good, how are you?
Good. Have any of you been on this before?
Yes, the four.
Spirits
I
in the
thought you were
bird.
So when you're ready,
Loving
come on
summer
the handle.
17 was
All the way back to the car if you can.
right. Manic pixie dreamed
Yeah.
right beside me. And she said she liked me. But I bet it was a right thing running about a long time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know. I don't like messing with
Anong masasabi mo?
100 over 10. Especially with our special ticket. Thank you so much to our sponsor. To whoever you are. I love you already.
Thank you so much!
Thank you! Sulit!
Super happy! Yay! Ang ganda oh!
6 over 6.
Ano, lakaran mo oh. Nice! Fall in love just like the two of us. I always go falling, falling, falling. Ito. Itsura ng mga nag-enjoy.
Sarap din dito sa baker. Yan pa lagi ka natatry baker.
One year. 1 year first time. First time. My
2
God.
months pero first work.
Order! Fries. What did you order ba yan?
I need burger, double beef, double cheese.
It's massive. Oh, lucky. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so big. Bigger than my palm. Wow. Grabe. Ito like the onion. My mouth will smell. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What's the name of this restaurant? Burger.
Grabe. Pwede mo maubos to?
Nakalimutan namin sa bahay.
Ito ka maubos?
Bigat
Kaya.
niya. For 16. Pwede no?
Saka hindi ka nakakasawa. No?
Nakakapan.
So, my God. Rate mo.
7 over 10?
Ah, really? Talaga naman na lang?
Feeling ko kasi, in-expect ko na yung ganun lasa. Masarap yung buns, yung beef. Pero like, hindi siya yung, hindi like wow na wow. Pero masarap siya. For the price. Or mga 8, ganun. 8, 7, 8.
Ako 9. Madali lang akong pasalin. 9 naman sa akin.
Masarap kung may kasama ng fries yung meat, yung Kasi ang mahal ng fries eh.
Oo, 8 to eh. Tapos, yan lang siya. Pero masarap naman.
Tapos may kasama ng sauce.
Palatiman siya.
Burger. Finally overcame over Burger.
After a year.
After a year.